Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to check your storage on MacBook. First, click on this little Apple icon from this corner, then select System Settings. First, you will land on this general page, and from the same page, look for storage. This is it. Click on it. Wait a little bit of time for the storage calculation to settle. As you see here, I have just by the way, this on this MacBook Air, the total storage is 245 gigabytes, and out of it I have 133 gigabytes just for documents, 28 for applications, 36 for system data. This is a little bit like cache, but for the operation system. And this is the macOS, 23 gigabytes. Okay, how to delete or how to free up space or storage? Personally, I always the majority of the used space is from the documents. So I click on this little eye icon next to documents, and this window pops up. First, or the easiest to clean, is the unsupported apps. First, check this tab of unsupported apps to delete them. Then you can check the used space by using folders. For example, on the desktop, I have 100 gigabytes and 31 gigabytes. If I click on it, I will see the largest file, and I can delete it. You can also check the downloads folder, but you can either free space from here, click on the first, click on Command A, and you will select all files and hit delete. Let's delete them right now. As you see, 28 items will be deleted immediately, freeing 110 megabytes of storage. You can't undo this action, so be cautious here. And you can also check or check the documents by the largest file. For example, this video is the largest one with a size of 2 gigabytes point 82. And of course, any document deleted here will be, by the way, when you click on a file, for example this one, here you can see its location. For example, it is on the desktop, inside the to clean folder, inside this folder called video from Samsung, and this is the file. And of course, if you delete it, the item will be deleted immediately, and you can't undo this action. And this is how to check your storage on Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.